technology is a big story today as the government is all set to gain backdoor access to corporate emails. BlackBerry Maker's research in motion has relented to the pressure from Delhi and its power corridors. It's likely to set up a server in India, which will in many ways give them access to 5,000 enterprise accounts. The government will gain access to BlackBerry Messenger too. Radhika Sharma is joining us for more. Radhika, exactly what should our BlackBerry users or viewers be worried about?
All right, so now earlier when Research in Motion actually told the government that they can't give access to the BlackBerry Messenger is purely because when you send a BBM message to someone, an encrypted key is set on one side, and when the user receives it, there's another key generated on the other side, so both the user and the receiver have a secure access to the BBM message that has been sent. Now, what the local server will do is the local server will interpret all the messages, so the government will interpret all the BBM, likely to interpret all the BBM messages real time, which means that for users like you and me would not be sending much, scandalous stuff over BBM. But yes, there might be other companies who thinking that this is a very tight, secured access, might be sending over auction bids and other corporate things that the government should not know about. Well, the government is doing it under the guise of saying that this is to intercept terrorist emails, because they also might be using BBM or using the corporate email service. But there in turn comes the privacy concern that, okay, we can understand the terrorist threat, but what about the other corporate stuff that does not have to be gone out to the government? But right now, it seems like they might get real-time access to BBM and also 5,000 corporate accounts which actually use BlackBerry Enterprise server, which means the jack is actually put in the servers in the office. They might get access to 5,000 of those too. So what this means for the users? Well, Big Brother is on you. Everything that you're doing is probably going to be watched now.